Her ancestor looked at her and said, "That's a great question." Ogochukwu's names give them the power to bring peace and tranquility wherever they go. They have a deep appreciation of nature and have a desire to help others with their generosity. Jasmine says she likes that name a lot. She remembered all the times in her life when her relationship with her creator allowed her to appreciate the creation all around her. If she named her daughter Ogochukwu, this would be a great way to give her daughter a true appreciation of the beauty all around her. Jasmine then asked her ancestor, "Are there more names too?" Her ancestor said, "Yes." And then a blinding flash of light suddenly whisked her away.